Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. Getting started with our Paracord Planet news, we had a number of YouTube videos come out since our last wrap-up. For our macrame fans out there, we had a beginner knot tutorial. If you're looking to get started with macrame, that would be a great video to check out. We also had a friendship bracelet tutorial come out in honor of International Friendship Day and National Friendship Day, which are both in the same week. We have a Friendship Day sale going on right now in our store, so if you want to pick up the materials to make that bracelet, they are currently on sale. We also had two Paracord Planet guides come out, one showing you how to hang up a hammock, the other one showing you how to wrap some paracord. It's a very convenient, easy way to wrap a hank, and it stores it well, tangle-free. I'd highly recommend checking that out. If you do anything with paracord, that is a helpful video. We've had two blog posts come out since our last wrap-up. One of them discusses paracord and fashion. The other blog post is an interview with the creator of AnimatedKnots.com, Grog. He shared a lot of anecdotes about knot tying, sailing, and a couple other subjects, so make sure to give that a read. Our Paracord Spotlight this week is on Up Paracord on Instagram. He just hit 10,000 followers, and I know he has some exciting news coming out, so make sure to watch his Instagram page for more. And now for what we wrapped. Like I said last time, we were going to make some accessories for our friend Perry the Paracord person. So we made him a spaceship, which he can now fly around on. We also made him a nemesis, because every hero needs a nemesis. This is the Heat Sealer. It's a lighter with googly eyes and a little paracord woggle. And they're going to be duking it out. We're going to be creating adventures for Perry, so make sure to keep up with him on all of our social media. We'll be posting about it when there's more. And now for what we're going to wrap next week. The school year is coming up and pencils are going to be in style again, so we're going to wrap a pencil. Now you may remember on our very first episode of the wrap-up, we did also wrap a pencil. So I'm going to up the ante. I'm going to wrap an entire box of pencils. We'll see you next time. I actually do need that pencil. That's my last pencil. Our two blog posts that have come out since our last wrap-up are two blog posts. Definitely look into that. That is a I specifically said I'd make him a mount in the last video. They know where I am. That's the thing.